In this video, we will learn how to make completely safe and organic fertilizer from banana peel. It is 100% free and very easy to create. It contains calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. First, separate the banana peel from the banana. Then they should be dried in the hot sun. Banana peels have potassium, which is an essential nutrient for promoting more flowers and fruit on plants. Start by cutting your banana peels into small pieces. Then grind them in a blender. Then they should be sieved to separate the powder. This fertilizer can be used in two ways. First, the soil of the tub should be loosened. Then 1 spoon of powdered should be added to the 12-inch tub. A relatively large size powder should be soaked for 3 days. It is ready for use.